On this episode, I'll show you how to replace the rope in your mower's pull starter. This rope is okay, but it has started to fray, so I'm going to replace it. I've already unbolted the mower's blower's housing, so let's get started. You can see that the rope is worn near the handle. The tools that you will need are a pair of diagonal cutters or something to cut the rope with, and a screwdriver. Any kind should work. First, start by pulling the rope all the way to the end of the pulley. Next, use your screwdriver to lock the pulley in place so that it does not move. Cut the rope's anchor knot. And pull the old rope out. This is the new replacement rope and pull handle. I'm going to reuse the old handle. It's still in good condition. With the pulley still lined up and in place, I will insert the new rope through the little hole in the pulley. Sometimes it can get a little tricky, but it's straightforward. Now that the rope is through, I will tie a knot at the end to anchor the rope to the pulley. I usually tie 2 knots. cut the excess rope. Finally, I will anchor the rope to the handle. Once the rope is secure, remove the screwdriver and the pulley will retract the rope back into the housing. That's it. Everything looks good. I will reinstall the blower housing. Thanks for watching. Until next time.